Good afternoon. My name is Paula Castañeda, and today I'll be talking about birth control. Specifically, I'll be talking about how birth control is used for more than just preventing pregnancies. This contraceptive, of course, is used for preventing pregnancies, for controlling births, but it has way more benefits than we may realize. I'll be talking about 3 benefits, although there are way more, and these include preventing cysts from forming, controlling your menstrual cycle, and helping those who fight anemia. The title of my speech is called It's More Than Just Sex. 60 years ago, if a woman wanted to not get pregnant, she didn't have the chance to just go to a doctor and have her or him prescribe birth control. It was not only seen as morally wrong, but it was illegal. So 60 years ago, if you wanted to decide not to have any more kids or not have kids at all, unfortunately, you didn't have this opportunity. But what if I told you that it does more than just prevent pregnancies? I say that as someone who's been on birth control since the age of 16. My doctor did not prescribe it to me because I was sexually active. It was actually because I had cysts in my ovaries. I will then explain what the cysts are and how they help when you have birth control. Cysts are extremely common among both men and women. But, of course, ovarian cysts are only affecting women, and they are way more common than we may realize. You may even know someone who has them. These cysts are extremely painful. They can cause severe pain in the stomach area. They can cause nausea, vomiting, and even internal bleeding. But what if I told you that you can get rid of all these things? Well, you can. Something as simple as a shot, a pill, or just an implant in your arm can help prevent all this. Corinne O'Keefe states, by preventing ovulation, hormonal birth control can prevent these cysts from forming. So, if you already have a cyst in your ovaries, taking this pill, the chemical that is in the actual pill or shot or whatever it is that you take, will help completely make the cyst disappear. It shrinks it and it vanishes. And not only that, but it helps them from forming ever again. It prevents you from having these side effects ever again. So, not only that, but birth control can help with things like menstrual cycles. A lot of people in this classroom may go through that. They know how painful it could be, whether it's stomach pain, back pain, mood swings, whatever it is. Birth control helps with that. Menstrual cycles are extremely common. The average woman goes 40 years with menstrual cycles. But unfortunately, menstrual cycles can be extremely irregular. Whether you get it once every few months or multiple times a month, it can be extremely painful and uncomfortable. But once again, birth control helps with that. It helps regulate your cycle so that it is only between 3 to 5 days, and it is not painful, and it is as comfortable as it can be for a woman. The American Society of Reproductive Medicine states, because a birth control pill contains progesterone-like medication, it can help regulate the menstrual cycle and protect the lining of the uterus against precancer or cancer. So not only does it help regulate your period, but it helps you from getting cancer, which is something that I know most people are completely afraid of. Lastly, but certainly not leastly, it is very controversial to know or have someone that takes birth control, but this helps millions of women who have anemia. Anemia is also extremely common, but is 2 times more likely to happen to women. So anemia can have a lot of period-related problems. But Corinne O'Keefe states, hormonal birth control methods that allow you to skip your period can help prevent the period-related anemia. So there are 2 types of birth control, those who regulate your period and those that completely stop it. And if you completely stop your period, you can no longer have problems that were caused during your period because of anemia. So, whether you believe birth control is morally wrong, morally correct, or not, it is in no doubt an extremely, extremely beneficial thing for women. In the end, we must remember that birth control does not just stop pregnancy, it does way more than that. Like I said, it helps control cysts from forming, it helps regulate your period, and it helps those who suffer, unfortunately, from anemia. If you can help not have pain, if you can help yourself from not having kids, whatever it is, whether it's the shot or the pill, why not do it? Thank you.